Okay, listen, we are almost out of time, but I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever told you that you look like Zac Efron?
Yeah. Everybody says that. Yeah.
We started talking, and I was like, "Whoa, who does this man look like?"
I am the twin.
You are. You could be a double. Seriously.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, I had to ask you. Thank you so much. It was so nice to meet you, Ahmed.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. You have a wonderful night, okay?
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
No
so
more
much.
hackers.
Goodbye.
No more hackers.
Yeah, no more hackers. Goodbye, Rebecca.
Yeah. So what do you like? Do you like sunrises or sunsets? What do you like more?
No, I don't like sunset. I like sunrise.
You also like sunrise? Okay, you see.
Yeah, because with sunrise it means begin a new day.
Exactly.
New things coming up, and that's wonderful thing that you will discover many things, and you will never know what the day
can bring.
Yeah, can bring to you.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's very true. That's also the reason why I like it. Yeah, exactly. So,
Nice.
Yeah, exactly.
I think maybe there's quite a few Ahmeds. I don't know.
Middle East. Here my name. It's very common to name Ahmed.
Yeah. Pretty common.
And I'm pretty sure that you have many students from Saudi Arabia, and they have my name also.
Yeah, it's true. It's just a common name.
Yeah, exactly. So just like Elsa.
Okay, but Elsa is not so common. Maybe.
Yeah.